Hi there. In this video, I want to talk to you about grouping worksheets in order to complete steps across multiple worksheets in one fell swoop, saving you a little bit of time and energy. So the example we're going to start with is here from chapter 1. I'm on page 94 in the e-textbook, and this is where we had to change the margins on the May worksheet, the June worksheet, and the July worksheet. And here at the top in step C, we worked solely in the May worksheet to change the margins to narrow. Then in step D, it asked us to repeat the process for the June worksheet and then the July worksheet. And the textbook will have us do this on multiple occasions where we'll complete similar steps across many worksheets. So I just want to show you how to do that all at once, how to work in more than one worksheet. So I'm going to pull up my worksheet here on the screen. I'm active in the May, so I'm showing on the screen my workbook, and I'm active on the May worksheet. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is on my keyboard, I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm also going to select the June worksheet. I need to advance, I need to click my left arrow. I'm keeping the Shift key held down, and I'm also going to click the July worksheet. And you can see how they all three have turned white. This shows me now that these worksheets are grouped together so that anything I do is going to be impacted on all three worksheets. And so you have to be careful because you don't want to ruin your data or your content on your worksheets. But for our purposes, this is going to make life a little simpler. So we needed to change the margins to narrow. So I'm going to click on the Page Layout tab. I'm going to change margins to narrow. And now that step has been taken to all three worksheets. As we continued on in chapter 1, then we needed to stop this. We needed to work in individual worksheets. So at the point where I'm ready to stop working in multiple worksheets, I can right-click on any one of the worksheet names and choose Ungroup. It's here somewhere. There it is, Ungroup Sheets. So I'm going to click that, and now notice they go back to their usual colors so that I'm working in an individual worksheet. This will have this step that we can complete many things at once in future chapters. Let me know if you have any questions at all.